Hey guys, this is Lisa from CoochieCoochieCoo.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make these crochet beaded hoop earrings. I used the hoop earrings from this DMC kit. This kit includes 4 hoop earrings this size that we're going to be using, which is the 4.5 centimeter size. There are also these 5.8 centimeter size hoops, as well as a bunch of regular fishhook earring hoops. This kit here, it includes these earring hoops, as well as instructions on some projects that are pretty cool. But I decided to do something completely different. I'm going to be using the brand new DMC Cotton Perlé, which is in the size 3, which is this thicker yarn. It's almost like a yarn. It's still a thread, really. Now, it's pretty cool because you can use it for embroidery, but it's thick enough to actually crochet with. So we're going to be doing more than one technique to make these hoops. Now, what you'll need is, again, the hoop package, as well as this yarn, or this thread, this cotton perlé. Again, I'm using size 3. It is number 321. It's bright red. And you'll also need a needle to thread on your beads. I'm using the DMC number 22 chenille needles, which have a nice large eye so you can easily thread in this thicker embroidery thread. We also need beads. I had these beads in my stash from a previous project. They have a hole that is about 1.5 millimeters. And also, you'll need a crochet hook. This is the DMC 2.75 millimeter hook. Now, to begin with, you will need to thread about 35 beads onto your yarn, 35 beads per earring. So all you need to do is put your chenille needle and then just basically stick the tip into the bead and it'll go right on and slip through. Okay, I've already put the rest of the beads on just to save time. Let's take off this needle, we'll put it off to the side, we don't need it. We need our crochet hook, our pre-beaded yarn, or rather thread. I keep calling it yarn because it is kind of like yarn. Now let's take one of these hoops. You can see that there is a very clear front and back. We're going to be working from the back. So hold the hoop like this. It doesn't need to be right at the edge. It can be in the center too. And hold your yarn like this and just hook it up. Let's do a little loop here to get it to stay in place. Let's just do another just to kind of hold it there. Okay, so here we've done one single crochet around the hoop. What we're going to do is we're going to push one of these beads up right up against the single crochet here, and we're going to chain one. This will keep the bead on the outside as opposed to the inside of the hoop. So after we've chained one, we're going to again do another single crochet. You can see when I do my single crochet, I'm keeping this end here of the thread against the hoop so I can kind of catch it in with my crochet. That's just to kind of keep it hidden so it doesn't bother us. Okay, so single crochet, push up the bead right up there, chain one, and single crochet. Okay, again, push the bead right up, chain one. Whoops. I tend to crochet very tightly, so I sometimes have issues getting through. It's just because I work like that. Okay, and single crochet. Okay, and you can see this is what it looks like from the front. This is going to be eventually pushed up like that. So let's keep working around like this until we get around to the other end. Okay, so now I am pretty much done. I'm going to put up the last bead, do my last chain stitch. Okay, and then instead of doing a single crochet, I am going to do a simple slip stitch. I'm going to hook up, bring it up in here. Let's pull that up, and I'm going to cut it. And there we go. Let's just put this into the needle here so we can, well, normally it would go easier if you get it wet with your, if you put it in your mouth. And we're just going to thread this in. Okay, see how we've threaded it through with the needle? Oops. Do it carefully. Okay. Kind of even it out a little bit more. We can cut off this last bit of thread, turn it around, you can even out all of these, and you are done. Isn't that pretty? Now you've got two lovely earrings with beads and crochet. And there we have it. If you like this project, make sure you head on over to CoochieCoochieCoo.com, where you can find all sorts of other craft projects, including yarn, recycled crafts, and so much more. And you can find lots of sewing tutorials, including the free Beginners Learn How to Machine Sew course. Head on over again to CoochieCoochieCoo.com. See you soon!